licensed esthetician and pro makeup artist. So today, which I know I probably told you I was gonna review something, and I kind of forgot, but I remember today. And so today we are reviewing the newest product from our favorite girl, e.l.f., and it is the Camo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. Now, when I saw these got released, I was a little confused because how do you have both? But I understood the marketing behind it. It's not that they were saying that this one thing right here was gonna be like a 2-in-1, like both the contour, both the bronzer. That's not what they were saying. Basically, they're letting out all these different shades so that you can have your bronzer shade and also have your contour shade, because just a little education, those are two different things. But we're gonna review them today. I bought these. They're $7. I bought them, had to, because I like pretty much anything that e.l.f. comes out with, and I like their products. I love Miss e.l.f. I love how it just, she always treats me well. But we're gonna get more into the review. But anyway, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so that you're notified of my uploads, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all at the end. Keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm in the middle of making another video, but I said I had to record when I got to my bronzer stuff, because yeah, I know I do my bronzer first, then I do my blush, and then I do my concealer. So I already have my foundation on. So today's product that we'll be reviewing is e.l.f.'s Camo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. So let's just give a few details on this product. So first off, what is it? So according to the website, this is a high pigment liquid bronzer and contour hybrid for creating a long-lasting sun-kissed and sculpted look with a natural finish. Now, a lot of people question, well, how can it be both? And I wouldn't say that it is both. I would say that you can find both your shades in this range. Now, there are a total of 10 shades that range from fair to rich, and they all come in cool, neutral, and warm shades. Why you'll love it, this is what the website says: it's highly pigmented, it gives you a sun-kissed and sculpted look, it's lightweight, it's blendable, also buildable as well if you want it a little or if you want it a lot. It has a natural looking finish, which we do know that is something that the Camo line consists of, is giving you that natural dewy skin light finish. It has a rounded and grooved applicator that is the same as the liquid blush, like this right here, but I never use the applicators. I always go in with my plate and then go in with a brush or sponge. And then also it says that it pairs well with the liquid contour and bronzer brush that they have. I never purchased the brushes whenever I buy a product. I don't know why. Sometimes the brushes be overpriced, if we just gonna be honest, but I never really purchased the brushes from e.l.f. And e.l.f. has great brushes. I still have some that was from years ago. So this is 4 milliliters, which is 0.13 fluid ounces, so it's a lot, especially if you're a person like me that don't do their makeup every single day, so I don't have to worry about it like running out. Let's see, one of the ingredients in here are pretty much the ingredients that a lot of e.l.f. products contain, is that rose water, or that rose flower water, that gives you that like distinct scent to their products. Now, if y'all remember, this is from years ago, but this Flawless Finish foundation, that had a scent into it, and it smelled like a flower. I think that's the same extract or scent that they're using in all their products. So that's one thing I noticed. So if you have sensitive skin, maybe look out for that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Comes in 14 shades. So yeah, I purchased shade 7 and I purchased shade 10. I was gonna use 7 on myself, and 2 when it comes to like when people ask me to do their makeup, it tends to be a lot of girls that's either my color, a little bit darker, or they're kind of like how my mama color. She has this chocolate skin, so I got 10 for that. And I was thinking about getting lighter shades if I get to work with lighter tone people. But I got shade 10.
Y'all, this is shade 7. I don't know where I got 10
This
from.
technically
Anyway,
is going to be my contour shade because it does look a little cool. Cooler than what I go for because I don't contour. I like to bronze. So when I bronze, I like a really warm sun-kissed shade. And some of my one of my favorite ones is the Fenty Beauty Match Stix in Espresso. Now that's a contour, but honestly, the shade range, it don't give a contour to me. It gives bronze. But I tried this out before. I think it was last weekend, and it was pretty. I took a picture, and I am gonna insert that picture. And I had where the sun was hitting directly, and I mean, I did look sun-kissed. So shouts out to e.l.f. for that. But I'm gonna try it out for y'all. I don't use the applicator. I like to let my brush just have all the control. Because when you use the applicator, I feel like you could go a little overboard. So yeah, just keep in mind when you're picking out this product, what do? I bronze, so I got this, and maybe I should have got shade 8, which is more of the bronze shade that I typically get. But if you are contouring, make sure you're looking for a cooler shade, something that's cooler that can sculpt and give you dimension. Bronzing is just gonna bring the color and the warmth into your skin. So just keep in mind of that. So again, this is shade 7. Taking a little bit onto my plate. Do not mind my edges, because girl, I don't know why I don't do them before I start a video. But I'm stippling in on my plate. The formula is very similar to the liquid blush. It's lightweight. So I'm gonna go onto the forehead first. And the claims on the e.l.f. website is that it is lightweight and blendable and buildable. So, right here it looks cool. Does it not kind of look a little cool? But when I put it on my forehead, it done warmed up some. And I'm only gonna do one side for y'all. Ooh, I kind of went a little ham. It's all right there on my brow. I did not mean to do that, but I got my foundation brush, so we'll fix it. Not well, the jawline kind of. I'm gonna save my cheeks for my blush, and I like using the stippling brush because it can really stamp that into the skin. Okay. I think this definitely is the contour shade. Yeah. I gotta check out shade 6 and see what that is too. The other thing too, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, when I was looking at these in the store, I kind of was confused with shade range. Cause especially when you get into the darker range, it kind of can be very confusing. Cause it's like, some of it looks so much alike, but and then too, the stores, like the lighting sometimes can be terrible in Ulta. I don't know if anybody else has experienced that, but that lighting can be terrible sometimes. So it's hard to like really determine what shade you need. And the website too did not help me at all. So if you can, I would go look at like other videos, like go look at TikTok, go look at Instagram, go find you a review like this one on YouTube to really find your shade. But I definitely think this is a contour shade. It could be a bronzer shade, but this is kind of dark, I ain't gonna lie. So I always bronze up my face on my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin. My jawline, not my chin. I mean, I go a little bit on my chin. And when I'm going on the jawline, you want to drag it down. When I'm on the cheeks, I like to stamp it upwards. But you see that little line right there? How it's kind of noticeable? Just go back in with your foundation brush, and we're just gonna work over that to make sure no lines are noticeable. Okay. So it definitely is lightweight, I will say that. We definitely got some color. We got some warmth into it. Okay. I'm not gonna go too heavy with it. Like I said, last weekend it was really nice. The sun was hitting. Okay. It's cool. I'm gonna say that. It's cool. It's just something about the shade. It's just something that's kind of throwing me off a little bit. But it's cool though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I think I like when it comes to bronzer and when it comes to contouring, I think I like more of a cream formula, not a liquid formula. Now, if this was a cream, maybe I would have liked it a little bit more. And you know what? I'm not saying that I don't like it. I'm just saying it's alright. It's $7 too. I think it's worth the try, and I think it's worth to buy. I think they can probably do a little bit better on the shade range. I ain't gonna lie. Because even with the lighter or fair skin, muddy kind of. But that's just not for e.l.f. to work on. It's just constructive criticism, e.l.f. Just constructive criticism. That's it. This is the final look, y'all. The bronzer is cute. I think it's a shade that I have is the conclusion I came down to. I think I am gonna try to either do shade 6 or try to do shade 8, or try if I could just mix it in between. But overall, especially if you are a beginner makeup user, I think that these Camo liquid bronzer and contour shades, I think it's good. So I think this is a thumbs up. I do think maybe the shade range is kind of questionable, but I think you can make it work. When you go in a store, just try to compare it with your other contour bronzer shades and see which one is gonna work best out for you. Like I said, probably should have got maybe 6, or maybe I should have got 8, or maybe I can mix them and create something else. But other than that, I think it's really pretty. It did add a little glow to it, especially with combining with the Camo liquid blush that I used. And overall, I say e.l.f., I'm gonna give you a thumbs up. Nothing is perfect, so I would never say, oh, this product is perfect, because what is that? But I do think this product is worth purchasing. It's $7, and I think e.l.f. did a good job with what they had, you know? So yeah, go check it out. If you like, just be mindful of the shades. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this review. I hope that I was as honest, and hopefully this either convinced you or maybe it didn't convince you to buy it. But please try it out for yourself. This was just my opinion. Go try it out, you know? But yeah, y'all, this is the end. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoy this review. Maybe there will be more in the future. But thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in my next tutorial. Make sure you click that bell so you're notified of my next uploads. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Y'all have a great weekend. Y'all have a great week, because I will not be posting next week for Thanksgiving. So have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see y'all then. Peace.